Welcome to the 2024 Engineering Showcase, where innovation meets inspiration. Hosted at the historic Bay Street Armory, this event brings together the brightest minds from the science, technology, engineering, arts, and math fields. Students from across southern Vancouver Island have gathered to present groundbreaking projects, each one a testament to creativity, dedication, and the pursuit of excellence.
From race cars and rockets to robotics and satellite design, these students aren't just envisioning the future, they're bringing it to life.
So I'm really happy that we got an opportunity to come to this showcase. It's great to see the amount of networking and especially getting the high school students involved. I think that is so important.
It's always nice to meet the companies that we might be working for in the future to both show off the stuff that we've done and also hear more about where the industry is headed and new technologies that are showing up.
So really glad that I get to speak with a bunch of different university teams and engineering teams across the island and stuff. That I'm glad that I can communicate to them, talk to them, maybe even learn some stuff about the universities and the different engineering designs and stuff.
My name is Megan Nickel. I'm the VP People at Redland Technologies. We love this event. I think it's a really inspiring showcase of the young STEAM talent in Victoria and makes us very excited about the future. We're in bright hands.
So my name is Colin Bradley. I'm the Associate Dean Research in the Faculty of Engineering and Computer Science at UVic. So as a faculty member who's been standing on the outside for many years, watching all of this evolve, it's been so exciting and so impressive. And I think, just looking at some of the displays here today, you really see the enthusiasm and the gratitude of the students.
The 2024 Engineering Showcase is not just a platform for students. It's a bridge connecting academia, industry, and the public. Attendees have the chance to engage with these innovative projects, vote for their favorites, and witness the next generation of engineers in action. Recognition is a key part of the showcase. Outstanding teams are awarded cash prizes, highlighting their exceptional achievements and encouraging them to continue pushing the boundaries of what's possible. This event is made possible by the collaboration between Rainhouse Manufacturing Canada Ltd, the University of Victoria, and our generous sponsors. Together, we're supporting the growth of future innovators and strengthening our community. The 2024 Engineering Showcase is more than an event. It is a celebration of ingenuity, collaboration, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. We invite you to join us in supporting these talented students and witnessing the extraordinary potential that lies ahead. From idea to done, together we're shaping the future.